Hi everyone, I'm Vickie and welcome to my art channel. Being a creative person is so much more than just painting. It's about artificial intelligence, editing, lighting, photography, and so much more. Let's take this journey together and I'll share my tips along the way. I used to transfer reference photos with the graph for the contour in my academic years, but after developing an eye for details, I find it easier now to use the projector as another artist tool to quickly jump into the painting. I like to work in layers, building up colors and textures until the portrait comes to life. As you can see, I'm using a variety of colors to create a base layer for the painting. I'm not worried about the details yet. By layering different colors on top of each other, I can create a sense of depth and dimensionality. This is an important step in the painting process as it sets the foundation for the rest of the painting. As I start to add more details to the portrait, it's important to remember to stay true to the original contour. If you lose it, don't worry. You can always add and adjust it back in later. And speaking of adjustments, it's important to step back from your painting every once in a while to get fresh eyes on it. This can help you see areas that need adjustments and prevent you from over-exaggerating, as I always do. As you can see, I'm making adjustments to the painting based on fresh eyes. This is an important step in the painting process as it allows you to refine your work and make it even better. If you found value in this video, please subscribe. It helps me build a channel to be able to share my art journey with everyone. Leave a comment, share with others, and don't forget to turn on notifications. But at the end of the day, it's all about the painting. It's important to remember that every painting is a journey. There's always something new to learn. As I add more details, make adjustments and refinements, I'm happy with the way it's turning out. But now it's time to take it to the next level. I'm off to have this painting professionally photographed so I can share it with you. It's an important step in the process as it ensures that the painting is captured in the best possible way. For the final photograph, check out my website, vickiewessonart.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.